You know where my brain just went?
There you go.
You know where my eye went? To the dislike ratio. At 10%.
Wait a sec. I thought the dislike ratio was gone.
But you see how useful that is?
Wait a second.
Right now, we can...
Why is it back?
I think it's gone for some people and present for others.
What? YouTube Premium?
No, I think it's just like one of their experimental things.
I thought they officially announced it. It was gone for me, and now it's back. It was gone for him on this show, and now it's back.
YouTube Premium.
Maybe they're
imagine
doing
you have
some
to pay.
A/B testing.
I think it's a YouTube Premium feature. I think you need to sign out.
He's not even signed in.
Oh, he's not signed in.
Imagine they made you pay to see the ratio.
Yo, it's not as crazy as you think. Look at the features you're paying for on Twitter now. Like undo a tweet, pay. It's a pretty wild feature to pay for, isn't it?
Yeah, that'd be terrible. But I find it useful.
No, it's useful,
but I would never pay for it, man. No way.
Shouldn't everybody have an undo tweet? Like,
sorry. Yeah, I thought you were talking about the dislike ratio.
Okay, but I feel like it's in the same category. It's not like the most necessary thing, but it's a nice feature to have because you got it in Gmail. Gmail added undo.
Yep.
And I think everybody got it, right? You have to pay for it.
It works the same way, like doesn't actually send it, right?
Yeah, you have a little extra time to undo the email as you're reading it over as it's about to send. It's like a buffer. It's like on TV, the 7-second delay.
Yeah.
And Twitter put it in, and then everyone celebrated. No one was mad they didn't get it for free. Everyone paid for it with Twitter Blue, premium Twitter. So I don't think it's that crazy, actually, that YouTube Premium would charge you for dislikes to see dislikes. Weird. Well, I really want to get to the bottom. I don't.
Okay, here we go. This is the one.
Will's still on his lightsaber.
There it is.
How cool that is. Huh?
That's pretty cool.
Well, obviously he couldn't show it.
So they had to turn the lights off?
Yeah. Huh?
I mean, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
All right, well.
I'm not huge on Star Wars, though.
Listen, man, we moved on. We need to know what's going on with the dislike
I was trying to look for it, but...
The dislike was like a big deal. If it's back, did that mean they bent to the pressure?
I think it's just experimental. Sometimes you're going to see it and sometimes you won't.
No way, dude. It was off.
For a little bit.
Okay.
Do you control it in like your own admin panel or whatever?
It was off for me across all YouTube. Back when the story broke, it was off for me because I was like, "Wow, this is so weird watching YouTube without the bar,
without the ratio."
Yeah. Look, it's off on my mobile right there.
Sure.
So is it mobile only that it's off?
I think it just fluctuates, dude. I don't think it's like baked in yet.
Wow, that's wild discovery.
You know what they're probably doing? They're probably like testing it to see people's viewing habits. How does it change?
Yeah, A/B testing,
right? Versus.
No, I get all that, but
how much more money are they making by removing that? But
usually, when you make an announcement, right, there was a press release.
Yeah.
Everything came out.
Yeah.
And look, they turned it off and turned it back on. I'm telling you, man. I don't know. I mean, obviously, I can't look this up right now.
You seem quite worked up that it's appeared back.
Well, only because if they did it like network wide, then it means they were listening to the feedback, which is not. You always wonder.
You're seeing it you're still seeing it off on your phone.
And then it gets me wondering if it's a mobile only thing, or I just like more detail because it was kind of a hot topic.
It's still a hot topic.
And that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I put the dislike count back on my channel. See, I don't know. I think there's a lot of questions about it. Obviously, I have my own questions about it. Oh, what's that? An update to dislikes. The dislike count will be private across YouTube. November 10th. Like, they're saying it's gone. In their own...
Oh. An extension?
An update to dislikes on YouTube. This is their press release from the YouTube team, November 10th. The dislike count will be private across YouTube.
No, man. On the weekend, I think I saw dislikes. Just like here and there.
I think so, too.
Yeah. I don't think it's baked in.
By the way, guys, I'm not doubting you specifically.
You're wondering why.
I'm saying if you put out a press release saying site-wide they're gone, YouTube's not stupid. We're talking about Google here.
Yep.
Like, if the dislikes are back, it's
news.
It's noteworthy. It's not nothing.
I'm thinking they're just doing this to test. They want to see your viewing habits Now they removed it for a little bit and they put it back for some people. They're like, how are they viewing it?
So where's the press release to say that we're putting it back for a bit? They made like a big commentary about it, like a big statement that it's gonna be an inclusive space free from dislike and whatnot.
So next week we'll have Neil Mohan, the chief product officer.
Oh, right. Okay.
Maybe you can ask him about it.
Dave, you want to come back or what?
You guys got the chief product officer of YouTube to come on this show?
Yeah.
Wow.
All right. Okay. That's better. I'm sorry, Dave. That's better than asking you.
Yeah.
He
right?
knows for sure what's going on.
Why don't you ask him, is it back? You can yell at him. You can raise your voice and be like, what's
sure
going
enough,
on?
He's going to be here and then dislikes are gone. And he's like, I don't know what you're talking about. I was on last week and they were never there. I'm like, no, I got the record. It's
You're
right
crazy,
here.
dude.